Where are you going?
I'm going to the museum.
Why are you going to the museum?
I'm going to see Seth.
Going to see Scarlett?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
What?
See him tomorrow.
See who tomorrow?
She's coming
He
tomorrow.
said tomorrow.
Oh. Hey, Carson. Carson.
Come here.
What's at the museum?
Toys.
Toys?
Yeah.
The toy museum?
Yeah.
And who else is there?
We seen the toy museum.
You're gonna sing that song? Can you put on your sunglasses again? Can you look at mommy? Carson, show me your sunglasses. That's where it's all over this. Can you show me your sunglasses? Can you put them on and show me?
See, she wrote about.
Look up at mommy.
Oh.
Very nice. You look like a bug.